guys, another day, another modification that needs to be done. Got the two cars right here. However, yeah, this, I don't know if you guys know, but basically, you hear that? There's some really bad exhaust rattle. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the resonator that blew out or whatnot, but we're about to go find out from, hello? Yeah, we're about to go, oh shit. Shit was hot, man. Oh my God, I wish I had AC. Anyways, yeah, we're about to go find out what the problem is. I gotta go get an exhaust tank. Mike, hello? Update, I think my ignition, never mind, we're good. It's a little windy, but just pulled up to the quick way. They got a couple cars. They got a third gen, or fourth? No, I think it's a third gen Integra. But yeah, about to see what's wrong with this exhaust, man. I hope it's not the resonator that's blown out, because I literally just got this exhaust. It's brand new. Kind of sucks. But is that a Super, bruh? Oh no, that's a Camry, never mind. Damn, bro, I don't know anything really about shit. I don't know anything about V8s, but that shit was rapping. That shit was loud. God damn. I just got a little 4-banger main. That shit is loud. Damn, he's got the headlight, he's got the wink mod. He's got the pop-ups, bro. Is this a, I don't know in the comments, is this a C4? This might be a C3 Corvette. It's a C3 or, wait, what is this? Maybe this isn't even a Corvette, bro. Oh, it is a Corvette. Yeah, I don't know. Comment down below if you're a muscle car guy, but like, what gen? I don't know. It's got a 434, which means it's like over 6 liters, man. Cause 350 block is 5.7. It's probably like a 7 liter V8. All right, guys. So this exhaust shield is what's rattling pretty much whenever I start up the car and whenever I drive it. And honestly, this is a problem with my old exhaust, except it was from the resonator. This resonator's fine. It's just, I don't have a hanger right here to keep it in place, so it just rattles. And yeah, that's the issue mainly. I don't know where there's a hanger spot over here somewhere. No? Fucking trolling, dude. Wait. I thought there was one.
Right here.
Okay, right there, yeah. Would that help or no?
Yeah.
It would? The only issue is it pulls this thing down and it touches the bumper. My bumpers got fucked a little. It's okay though. Sacrifices had to be made.
How's that? Better?
Should be good. I hope it's good. I hope it doesn't make any more rattling. It shouldn't. I hope not. Honestly, I need new tires though anyway, so it's okay. Even if the tires pop. No welding needed. You just bend the hangers, and then boom. Then the exhaust fits. Exactly. Solid. Alright guys, no welding needed. Just needed to bend the hangers a little and it's should be good. Here we go, just pulled in, man. We're about to go get lunch. Oh man, oh man. If anyone's asking why I parked in the handicap spot, it's because I don't have AC and this is the only shaded spot. That's my excuse, alright? I think that's a good excuse to any officer if they give me a ticket.
What's up, guys? We're here back with another Chipotle.
Another Chipotle.
Sponsorship incoming.
Dude, actually. Dude, I know, bro. I don't have AC, so I just park in the... Oh, really? All right, yeah. They're handicapped because we don't have... Wait a minute, hold on. What's this?
Yeah.
What's this, man? What is that?
It's the side trim thing. I didn't put it there.
Wait a minute. Just kidding.
No, I got it on back.
No, it's still good. Yeah, so Ethan is actually, you guys have probably seen him in previous video. He's the one that walked me in the E46, in the convertible E46. So I told him, he just got this done. He just got it painted, it looks really nice. I told him we have to run it back, but he's got to give me some handicap. He's got to give me something a little slower. See this automatic? Oh no, it's 5-speed? 5-speed? Okay.
This is the whole.
Is that what is it?
M54.
M54?
Yeah.
Is that of a 3 series, right?
Out of my E46. Same, yeah.
Damn it! All right, he's cheating again. Fuck, man. This is not stock. I thought it was stock. I would have had it if it was stock, but it's got an M54 in it from an E40, from your E46, right?
No,
No.
a 330, but
A 330, but not yours.
Yeah.
All right, guys, this is.
So it's tuned out, which is
tuned
why
out,
it's able to do that.
But it's factory. This is actually a barred E36. So this has an E46 motor in it, but Ethan completely barred it. It's completely California legal. If we did get pulled over or whatever for nothing, and they wanted to pop the hood and they saw this big ass motor in it, it is completely barred. Yeah, this thing probably rips on the mountain, which we have yet to see.
I haven't gotten up there yet.
Not yet. We haven't gotten up there yet. You still got to break it in, right?
No, it's done broken in, but it sounds like ass. That's why I was talking to you. I need to get that.
Oh, it sounds like ass.
It sounds like it's completely stock 328 system there. Cats and all. Bar
Okay, I see. Yeah, for exhaust work, yeah, quick way muffler is what I suggest, but wow. He's running 225s. It's got it's got a slight stretch on it. He probably run. You can't run wider than that though. That's the thing.
Rears roll too.
Yeah, he's maxed. He's absolutely maxed out.
But it's expected. I'm gonna do it at some point this week when I have free time. I have all the tools. I gotta lower the front about an inch.
Yeah. I see. Interior inspection right here. Hold on, wait.
This is where the extra horsepower
This is the best. This is the best part of the interior, bro. This GTR. That's how you know he's humble to the JDM scene.
So check this out.
But the Euro scene's cool too.
It's got like the double din head unit down here.
Damn. Okay.
With like,
it's got an Alpine.
With the reverse camera.
Dang, with a reverse camera.
4036. Look at that mileage.
I don't know, you guys see that? 51,000 miles. 51,000 on the chassis. Interior's great. Can I pull this door handle? Oh, this works. Cool. No rips on the interior whatsoever. Holy cow, he's got a whole tablet back here. He's gonna get the MHD tune. No, I'm just kidding. Not yet. This isn't a brand new BMW, so no MHD tunes, but man.
Also swapping the seats out. We're on 3 seats.
Oh, with M3 seats?
Yeah.
You already have the M shifter, right?
Huh?
Do you have a steering? Is this
D-speed shifter, yeah.
and the steering wheel?
The steering wheel is
328.
Standard. I'm gonna get a new one.
Yeah.
It's not ripped, but I'm gonna get a better one at some point.
Ooh. It's got the diffuser on it.
Also M3 OEM kit. Every part of it.
Yeah, I was about to say, it looks like it. I mean, you should just say it's an M3. It makes as much power as an M3.
It actually makes more power.
Yeah, oh, really?
I rolled this one yesterday and I sort of pulled ahead. I don't know how much he was trying.
Yeah.
But I'm just on the highway. No,
dude.
I'm not gonna call it an M3.
Yeah, it's not, but like, it's so quick, bro.
I got 330i badges.
Bro.
Put those on, but.
You're a BMW guy.
All right, guys, we're about to boost this.
Would be here.
About to boost this M54 setup.
Right here. There we go.
There we go.
Turbo.
Dude. There we go.
Damn!
There we go. Front mount, dude.
Turbo.
Top mount. Is it TDO3?
Nah, that's like KO4.
Oh, KO. Oh, that's right. I forgot it's KO.
Yeah, it's KO4. Just put a turbo on it. 2280.
All right, guys, we're cruising out with the gang. You know, got the whole gang. There we, yeah, all the boys. They're squatting out. Okay. Yeah, we're going to In-N-Out right now, so. Why am I leading the pack? Why is oh man. These people gotta pass by, man. Yup. turn like that though. Ooh. Damn it. Every time these Euro cars always smoke me. It's so depressing. God, I hate Ethan. I mean, I love Ethan, but like, fuck his cars, man. I hate his cars. E36 smoked me. E46 smoked me. I gotta make more power. This sucks. Whole gang just parked up. Minus one person. Minus Adam. There we go. But other than that, looking good.
Outside.
Yeah, dude. When you can hear it cross over, right? Yeah.
You're right next to me on the
Yeah. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Alright, about to head out. Let's get out of here, man. Oh shit.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
It wasn't me, man. It wasn't me. RSX, yup. Shit. Oh no. Oh man. Takes it again, bro. Every time he has torque. I don't have torque. Once again, I hate people that drive the same cars as... Jesus Christ. Oh my god, if that was a cop, then we got a dip. Oh shit. Jesus. Oh my god, bro. We're gonna get arrested. Jesus. Shit. Shit. Oh god. Later. Oh shit. I gotta slow down. Oh my god, bro. Cruising with these guys, it is too much sometimes. You really gotta drive. You really gotta shift. You really gotta hit the gas sometimes. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. See you, Nathan. See you guys. But like I said, I love driving with them. It's always a blessing. Like it always makes every day better. Being able to drive with my friends, it's really fun. And I'm really glad I'm able to do it. But anyways, guys, yeah, thanks again for watching. That's gonna conclude the video. And have a great day.
Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty money going around, I'm not selfish. And the ladies love me, Elvis. Smoky gas, living fast, wearing velvet. Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis?